Traveling is difficult, but it can all be worth it if the destination is exciting, new, or important. Other times, it can be fun to try a different route, or to make your way down a road that leads to, who knows? Why can't school be like that? Why do we force students to follow the same predetermined path? Most teachers work with students who have an idea of where they want to go. Lawyer, doctor, engineer, teacher. Those goals make the path worth traveling, even when that path is winding and rocky. What can we do to make that destination relevant and exciting? How can we help students to see the intrinsic value in those goals? How can we guide them toward being focused on a mission and learning instead of a career and a paycheck? And what about those kids who don't know their destination? What if they're still figuring it out? Traditional classrooms don't leave those students with many options. How do they travel? Where do they go? As we travel home to our own classrooms, we want to create a culture that allows students to choose the avenues that make learning meaningful to them, following their own path to a destination in which they see value. This means we need to value risk and failure as part of the process of learning rather than pitfalls. In other words, we need to develop a culture of possibilities starting on the very first day of school. We want them to believe the sky is the limit rather than focus on the mistakes they could make. Connect our students to the wider world and connect their work to an audience that values their voices. Lead by example, sharing the paths we have taken, encouraging them through the twists and turns, and walking alongside them through the roadblocks they will inevitably find. And finally, advocate for our students' independent choices. We need to be their best cheerleaders and supporters, shielding them from the pressure of standardization that we feel. We must advocate for their right to choose their own avenue. While the specific tools we use may be different, our ultimate goal is the same. Students who find value and meaning in learning, and because of that, actually want to do it. If they value the destination, they will find an avenue. If they like that avenue, they will travel it.
Created using Powtoon.